Dolt ka Jolt. Yes, I'm here to talk about this app that is trying to create a magic, delivering fresh, hot, and crisp food within 10 minutes. At least that's what they are marketing. So, before making this reel, I decided to do some research. Why? Because for me, no food can be made in 10 minutes. 2 मिनट में तो मैगी भी नहीं बनती। ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि जब तक आपकी मम्मी खाना गर्म करके परोस के आपको आवाज़ लगाएगी तब तक आपका खाना आधे रास्ते पहुंच चुका होगा। Looks like they have literally made cloud kitchens. So now let's understand the definition of fresh food. As per multiple platforms, fresh food means food that has not been preserved via canning, freezing, smoking, or dehydrating. So technically what they are saying is right. They are giving you fresh food. But let's look at the cooking time. Imagine you've ordered this dal makhani, which is actually available on their app, and it gets delivered in 15 minutes, not 10 minutes. ये दाल मखनी हमेशा से क्या गैस पे ही पड़ी हुई है और गरम की गरम है, और अगर गरम की गरम है भी तो 2 घंटे बाद तो वो कितनी गाढ़ी हो जाएगी। और अगर ये पहले से बनी हुई फ्रिज में है तो फ्रिज से निकाल के गरम करने में, पैक करने में और डिलीवर करने में कुछ तो टाइम लगेगा। What are they trying to market? On a lighter note, I think their hidden agenda is to fill the generation gap. पूछो कैसे? हमारे बुजुर्ग बड़े सब यही कहते रहते हैं, इस जनरेशन में तो पेशेंस ही नहीं है. There is no patience in this generation. Now imagine they getting their favorite jalebi, samosa, चाट, everything in 10 minutes. पेशेंस की तो बात ही खत्म हो गई. जब वो बोलेंगे पेशेंस नहीं है तो बच्चे उठ के बोलेंगे आप में कहाँ रही पेशेंस. And secondly, I think they have silently tied up with all the hospitals, surging the urge to eat sweet, promoting that sweet tooth. Wow. And that oily food. Before you think, before you blink your eyes, your food is here on the table. टाइम ही कहाँ बचा ये सोचने का कि क्या हेल्दी है क्या नहीं, भूख सच में लगी थी कि नहीं, बस एक ख्याल आया और खा लिया. Imagine the BMI. Wow, the next tie-up is going to be with gyms. खैर वो कोई ज़ोर ज़बरदस्ती तो कर नहीं सकते, चॉइस तो भाई आपकी है. अब आप पलक झपकते ही खाना मंगवाओ या बीमारी. What they have actually targeted is to break customers' expectation gracefully. Advertise 10 minutes, show 15 minutes on the app, and deliver in X minutes. Under the banner of hot, fresh, and crisp, on the same page in the app lies the menu option of ice creams, pancakes, pastries, cakes, and beverages. When you scroll down the app and select menu option from this on-time delivery, you would realize what they are marketing is actually not possible. I wish they had something like ta-na-na-na-na-ni, oh khana aayo free. Remember that from Domino's? If you like this video, remember to like, share, subscribe or follow. Thank you.